Hi everyone, I'm Enshan, a professional golfer from Australia. This year is a truly special one for me. With the support of KCM Trade, I've been given the incredible opportunity to compete in a global tournament here in Asia. It is also my very first time celebrating the Mid-Autumn Festival in this part of the world, which makes the experience all the more meaningful. I'd like to wish everyone a happy Mid-Autumn Festival filled with joy, good health, and cherished moments with your loved ones. May this season inspire you with fresh energy and bring success in everything you set out to achieve.
大家好啊，我係 KCM Racing TRC 車隊嘅阿 Ken。我而家日本啱啱入到16強嘅決賽，中秋節就嚟到啊！我喺度代表車隊祝大家節日快樂，身體安康、健康平安。中秋節唔單止係團圓嘅時刻，仲係儲備力量、整理思路，為今年最後嘅一季衝刺最佳嘅時候。無論喺生活上、賽道上定係交易路上，只要我哋做好準備，就可以隨時捉緊機會，彎道超車。喺未來 KCM Trade 同埋車隊都會繼續陪伴住大家穩步前行，一齊迎接每一個挑戰。最後祝大家中秋節快樂，一齊喺交易路上全速前進。多謝大家。